Good morning, guys. I am on campus at Clemson University. And fun fact, if you didn't know, Clemson University is actually filming a Disney movie right now. I'm not sure exactly what it's for. I think it's for alumni. But I'm out here at Clemson. Today's actually my birthday as well. And I've got a special treat for y'all. Because I saw it on my friend's Snapchat and I had to come over here and get some footage of it. So check this out. Hell yeah. Orange Mclaren 600Lt. Look at that exhaust. Right out the top shoots flames stock from the factory. Check that out. Now I think this is McLaren orange. It's definitely not volcanic orange, but that is beautiful. Now personally I would have gone with carbon for the rear. It does have a carbon on the sides, carbon on the mirrors. As if Street Speed 717's video didn't already get me hype enough about the Mclaren 600Lt. I'm looking at one right now. That is insane. Insane. It's got the matching orange seat belts. Oh my god. Mclaren 600Lt. Just sitting here. That is insane. If y'all didn't know, I am a huge fan of McLaren. This or the 720S would definitely have to be my dream car of all time. But oh my goodness, this is like surreal. I've never been this close to McLaren in real life. Let me get some more clips for you. Like, it just amazes me. I'm in school full of people, 27,000+ people. And this is just sitting here. I'm the only one by it. Oh my god, look at the diffuser. You know, with the new capabilities of the exhaust being on the top, they were able to make the diffuser a lot bigger. Like I said, I would have gone with the carbon, but this is just amazing. 600Lt. This one's probably about $300,000. Right around there from the options I'm looking at. They don't have the carbon on the front up here, but those mirrors, oh my gosh. Look at the carbon. Alcantara everywhere on the inside. Insane. Just sitting here basking in this. Didn't even realize this is the freaking Spider. I'm sitting here staring at this 600Lt. I'm not even realizing this is the Spider. I mean, you can tell from the cut in the roof and the split window in the back, and then obviously I can see the button to drop the top inside. But oh man. McLaren 600. All right. I'm gonna stop playing with y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all know. News is out. It's my birthday. I bought a motherfucking McLaren. I bought a McLaren. That's what it is. That's why it's here. That's why it's parked here. It's not for nobody else. It's not like it's somebody else's car. I bought it. It's my McLaren. Look. All right, guys. Low-key breaking the law here. Parked in the fire zone, but I had to bring the Jenny up here to get some clips of it next to the McLaren. They actually dropped the top while I was gone, so now you can see the inside of it. Of course, like I said earlier, this Spider. Look at that. Ever wonder what it looked like in the cockpit of McLaren?
Alright, I'll see you in a minute.
Insane. They actually look pretty damn good. Like it's fucking on my shot, but hold on. That's
This is sweet.
great. Yeah, it's insane. Now, McLaren is known for their insane paint colors. McLaren orange. It's beautiful. But I feel like mine pops more in the sun. I'm just joking.
Oh, is that you?
Yeah, that's me right there.
Yeah, this is me.
I just started installing a wide body kit.
Yeah, I
So
see
it's,
that.
It's
yeah.
not fully on. I've got the rears I still got to do.
I don't know if you. That's me. I have the pace car. If you've ever seen it.
Oh yeah, I've seen it.
Yeah, that's me.
I see it over.
The outfit?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. That's me.
Awesome. Well, if you wanna, I got a YouTube channel, so if you wanna
Oh, really?
check it out,
I saw you. What is it?
My YouTube is that yellow 3.8. So just that simple. Just that yellow 3.8. Oh, I wish. I'd give them my keys, and they can take this one, and I'll take this one right here.
Didn't they say something about? I saw something about.
Yeah,
like,
they're
a test
raffling
drive.
off. They're raffling off a ride in it. You don't get to drive it. I wish. I would give them this car to drive this car one time. I'm sorry, Jenny, but man. Well, yeah, dude.
Yeah, bro, I'll check it out.
Check me out. Hit me up on Instagram. I got Instagram, same thing.
Same
that,
thing.
that yellow 3.8, and we can get together and get some pictures done.
Yeah, that's sweet.
Wow. Look at that. Jenny. How's it going, guys? I'm sitting here editing the footage and I realized I never recorded an outro, so I hope y'all like that footage that I got of the Mclaren 600Lt Spider. It's pretty crazy to see that just sitting on campus, just chilling. Never thought that would happen, but I hope you liked it, and I should have another video coming soon, but until then, good night, guys.